Hello and welcome to Wonderkids. Today, we're going to talk about the life cycle of butterflies. It starts with a tiny egg. The female butterfly lays her eggs on a leaf. Birds after a few days. The egg hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats and grows, shedding its skin several times. As it grows, it forms a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, amazing things are happening. The caterpillar is slowly transforming into a beautiful butterfly. Finally, the butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Its wings still soft. Birds as it pumps blood into its wings. They expand and dry, ready for flying. And that's the life cycle of a butterfly.